My name is Flavio Bernardes, and I'm presenting the final proof proposal for PromisedLand. The solution introduces Linux-based system to manage critical IT operations, ensuring secure, scalable, and efficient services for 38 employees while supporting hybrid call centers across the US and Canada. The benefits of this deployment is cost efficient through open source Linux technology, security improvement using robust firewall configuration, and user restriction with centralized file management to improve the workflow and scalability for future data growth and expansion. We are using a virtual machine on Amazon Web Services. The presentation is based on a connection through SSH protocol connected to a machine based on Oregon, US. Wow. There you go. Let me show first the Linux version and distribution and host name where the machine is based. Uname dash A. Here we can see Linux, the machine name, the day where it was created, the time, and the Linux name. We can see LSB release A. Oh, here, oh, it's wrong. LSB release dash A. Here we can see that this distribution is Ubuntu 24.20.04.2, so the release is 24.04 and codename Noble. So this confirms the Linux version and the name. Let me show release. Here we can see in another way the same data we see up here, right? Okay. Let me list the files, ownership, and permissions for each department. We can list ls-l data shared. Then here is the groups created, app CRM, infra, and OPS. That was the groups created for each department. Okay. Then let's confirm if the server is reachable. So we can say ping C5 IP this is the name for the machine. Let me copy IP. I got that. Oh boy, it's better. IP dash 172 dash 31 dash 26 dash 234. Here is the ping working, and every package was no package lost, and the 5 package transmitted, 5 received. So that's okay. Let's clear the screen to create. Let's check the partition. And then we can see that the disks are here, the partitions are here, and then we can see it in another way, that is df-h. Oh, df-h. Here we can see that the disk is mounted and everything is okay. Let's see if the partition match the proposal specifications. Then we can see sudo fdisk -l. Then here is the partition. Anyone df h grep grep xvdf. Here we can see that it ensures that the disk is mounted and available. Let's verify that groups exists. So we didn't create users yet, so let's see the groups. Get int grep infra slash ops dash slash apps slash infra ops apps crm. Get and group infra ops apps crm. Well, what I did wrong. Oh, I forgot to put grep. I said the word, but I didn't. So get that group grep infra ops apps crm. we see here infrastructure, infra, but we are not seeing the, well, let me check if I did something wrong here. Grab, infra, oops. I create all the groups. So let's check again, because infrastructure, operations, applications, and CRM. Well, it's just showing, but I created everything. Let's check. Get faculty data shared. Oops. Then we see the infrastructure, all the groups here, not all of them. Well, I couldn't see in this comment, but the groups are created and working. Get in group CRM. You see here the group applications, operations. This is the groups that was created. Infrastructure, the groups are there. Let show access control lists, get faculty, slash data, slash share, slash asterisk. This is the it's showing the access control list, ACL, and all the permissions. Let me check the lists of ownership and permissions. Here are all the permissions and the name of the groups created. Okay. Let's check the detailed metadata is that data shared we can see the metadata of the files created. Now here we can see um, the file, the firewall protection, and to see if it's working. UFW status verbose. Here are what the port 22 TCP is open for SSH. We can see sudo net stat dash tulpn grep port 22. We can see that it's working also. And the other command is sudo systemctl status ssh. And here we can see what is going on here. Whoa, what's going on? Okay. This is a display for the firewall protection settings. And now let's see the schedule for updates. I will show you inside the file. Here is the updates and the reboot each 2 years. It's in the file for execution when the time is done. Okay. Well, that's what I had to show for this proposal, and I hope it's completed. Thank you for watching and for your feedback. It's difficult to finish.